And here we are on Allure of the Seas. This is a regular balcony, deck 7278. 7278. It is a standard balcony, and you see a little magazine rack here, full-length mirror, standard bathroom. It's nice that you don't have the counter like right here where you bang your head. It's got the tubular showers. So it's your normal bath. Here you have the double couch. You have your closets over here, just regular closets, and your safe with some shelves. And you have a couple of little cabinets here, a little workspace, a couple of drawers, really two drawers. That top one doesn't serve much function. And you got your refrigerator. And instead of the cabinets, this has like this little shelf up here. So not a lot of storage. Turn off the TV. And regular bed. Couch looks fairly clean. And look at these drapes. It's kind of weird. They have them, you know, fancy style. Interesting. And then you have your standard balcony. And I'm gonna have to go to guest services because I asked for an ocean view and all I got is a view of a parking lot. So that's not gonna work for me. Har har. So there is 7278. Balcony, ocean view balcony on Allure of the Seas. These are better than the neighborhood balconies, by the way. If you're on the fence and you're looking at a balcony, and definitely any balcony is better than no balcony. Neighborhood balconies include the Central Park and the Boardwalk balconies. I'd rather have a Central Park if I had to choose between those two, but if it's just within a couple $100, I would get the ocean view for the privacy. But Central Park's not bad. Boardwalk, my least, but still, a balcony is better than nothing. So there you go, 7278, balcony, ocean view balcony.